So, what about my pets during the install? Hi, I'm Max and I'm here with Van Martin Roofing. A question we hear a lot and one that's really important is, what should I do with my pets during the roof installation? As pet owners ourselves, we totally understand. Let's walk through what to expect and how to make it easier on your furry family members. This is one that a lot of people don't think about until installation day, but it's actually really important to plan for. Roofing is noisy. There's hammering, compressors, nail guns, and the sound of old shingles being torn off. And while we're used to it, most pets aren't. For dogs and cats especially, those sounds can be confusing and really stressful. So if your pets are sensitive to loud noises, here's what we recommend. One is keep them indoors and away from the noise. If possible, set them up in a quiet room toward the back of the house or in a basement where the sounds are softer. Second, if they're particularly anxious, plan for a quiet getaway. Some homeowners arrange for pets to stay with a friend or a family member or a local daycare for the day. It gives them a peaceful environment while we work quickly to finish your roof. Third, safety comes first for them and for us. We love animals, but job sites can be dangerous for curious pets. Roofing involves nails, ladders, and heavy materials, so keeping them safely inside ensures they won't accidentally wander near our workspace. 4, after the install, we make sure your yard is 100% safe again. Before we leave, we do a complete cleanup, sweeping for debris, using magnetic rollers to pick up every single last nail. Once we've completed that final inspection, we do recommend letting pets back outside. At Van Martin, we totally understand that your pets are family. We want the day to be as stress-free for them and for you as much as possible. We'll always treat your home and everything in it with the same care we'd want for our own. So if you're planning a roof replacement and you want to make sure your pets are comfortable and safe, click the link in our bio for our pre-installation guide. It includes everything you need to know before we arrive.